Hi, Morgan, Mountains to Sound, home inspection. Let's talk about windows for a second. But if you look at this window, you can see some fogginess there. Failed window seals are something that get called out a lot on home inspections. And you can see the condensation up there. What happens is there's two layers of glass, and in between the glass is some gas, typically, that helps provide extra insulation for energy efficiency. And there's a seal that keeps that gas in place. Over time, windows, like anything else, they have a life expectancy, so over time that seal can fail, and we end up with air that's carrying moisture getting in between those panes of glass and causing this fogging. No way to repair that or clean that other than to replace the glass, replace the window sash itself. You can replace this whole sash, which is this window frame over here.